or teaching, or optometry, or medicine, or nursing, or politics, or diplomacy, or development, or history, or religion, or communication, or information systems, or energy tech, or electronics, or mathematics, or forestry, or fisheries, or land management, or water management, or value chain agriculture, or the tourism industry, or culture, or culinary arts, or sports, or philosophy, or law, or engineering. The bottom line is that if there is nothing you now understand better than you did when you first came here, you may be graduating from university, but you have not been educated. So, wherever you go from here, be ready to show the world and your country what you can understand. This is especially important because we now live in a digitized world in which everyone has a platform to spread their ignorance about many subjects. And it is you who are educated who must stand out and set yourself apart by using every platform you have to share expert knowledge and understanding. There's no shortage in the world of people who are loud and imposing. But what the world needs right now are people who understand things. An educated person deals with the world by showing something he or she understands from years of careful study, not by shouting your assumptions the quickest or the loudest. In fact, it is because we want our graduates to be citizens of great understanding that my administration is on course to construct a major library at Mzuzu University. So, as you go from this place with your degree, go with the intent to show us what you can understand, because Malawi needs that. The second evidence of your education is a demonstration of what you can do. It is not enough to just have book knowledge and theoretical understanding, because in this country we're trying to achieve the Malawi 2063 vision. In this country we are trying to boost economic productivity through investments and the development of agriculture, tourism, and mining, as outlined in our ATM strategy. In this country, we are on industrialization, mechanization, commercialization, and urbanization drive. In this country, my administration is constructing road systems and rehabilitating railroad systems like never before. In this country, we are building an enabling environment for business and private sector growth by rewriting policies, reviewing legislation, reforming institutions, releasing resources, and redirecting human capital. In this country, we are restoring Malawi's reputation and place in the international community by being an active player and aggressive lobbyist on the global issues that affect all nations, such as climate change, international trade, democracy and human rights, and global peace and security, no longer the passive bystander we've been in the past. So since this is the development agenda of the country now, it is important that your education should be seen and demonstrated in what you can do to help build this new Malawi. It is truly a tragedy to have university graduates who cannot do anything useful. This country needs graduates who actually have a skill, who actually know how to do something really well, whether it is writing well, or coding well, or designing roads well, or teaching students well, or constructing well, or arguing in court well, or treating patients well, or running organizations well, or accounting for money well, or negotiating treaties well, or running mega farms well, or painting well, and so forth. In short, this country needs graduates who can do things with excellence. This is why my administration has gone into a $30 million partnership with the World Bank to establish African Centers of Excellence, one of which will be established here at Mzuzu. This is in addition to a $100 million partnership we have entered with the World Bank's Skills for a Vibrant Economy project, SAVE, through the Ministries of Education and Labor, $6.3 million of which have been allocated to Mzuzu to build a facility for skills development. So, as you go from this place with your degree, go with the intent to show us what you can do, because Malawi needs that. The third evidence of your education is a demonstration of what you can fix. This is because, apart from our need for graduates who have an expert understanding and a useful skill, we also need our graduates to be able to solve problems. And I must say that this is, in this area of problem solving, Mzuzu University deserves praise. Not only is problem solving capacity central to the university's 10-year strategic plan, but it actively informs the choice and design of the academic programs here. I know of universities that busy themselves with teaching students to solve problems that no longer exist, or that are not the primary problems our country faces. But Mzuzu University has always distinguished itself by being a place that gives its students the tools to solve the problems that Malawi is facing today, and the problems Malawi expects to face tomorrow. Solving the problems of Malawi is the reason why Mzuzu is partnering with Busereti Viva and Agrimedia of Italy to establish a horticultural and fruit micropropagation and development center here to support mega farms. Solving the problems of Malawi is the reason why Mzuzu is working closely with the African Development Bank to support the promoting investment and competitiveness in the tourism sector, PICS project, and to establish a vibrant tourism business incubation center here. Solving the problems of Malawi is the reason Mzuzu is actively involved in supporting the production of 20 megawatts of solar energy at Choma. Solving and fixing the problems of Malawi is what our graduates should be doing, because in this country, you are either fixing the problem or are part of the problem. And the choice is yours. The fourth and final evidence of your education is a demonstration of what you can create. We need new ideas and new solutions in this country, because there are a number of challenges and opportunities that are unique to our country. There are simply no two countries that are exactly alike, and it would be a mistake to simply copy and paste solutions from elsewhere or carry on what has been done in the past as if we are not living in a changing world. We need graduates who know how to create solutions that didn't exist before, whether it is new institutions or new technologies or new strategies or new partnerships. If we're going to succeed in building a new Malawi, we need new ideas, and that means we must innovate, innovate, and innovate some more. As I look across Malawi, I do not see any sector that is not in desperate need of innovation. The private sector is in desperate need of innovation, because if you walk into most businesses in Malawi, you will find that the same systems they used 20 years ago are the systems they are using today. The public sector is in desperate need of innovation, because if you walk into most government offices in Malawi, you will find that the same systems that were used 2 decades ago are the systems being used today. And you will even find civil servants who are ready to die for that old system, and who will resist anyone who tries to bring in a new one. But we are changing all that, because whether anyone likes it or not, every system that is no longer serving the interests of Malawians or moving us closer to our development goals will be replaced. So my warning to anyone or everyone in government is simple. You must either get on the train of innovation or you must get out of the way. So, if any of you graduating today are planning a career in public service, come with a commitment to show us what you can create, because Malawi needs that. In fact, I need that. Because the work that I have as president over the next 6 years is to innovate, innovate, and innovate some more, and I welcome your help. Congratulations once again, and I look forward to seeing you at work. God bless you all.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, we're now going to hear another song from Mzuzu University Congregation Choir. Soon after the song, we're going to go into presentation of candidates for academic awards. Let me request the team to start organizing the graduates ready for graduation. May I request that the media team, if you may give us space.